Mastering Crypto Trading, Advanced Strategies for Profiting in the Volatile Market. Are you curious about making money with cryptocurrencies where things can change really fast? Have you ever thought about learning the skills to navigate this exciting world successfully? Well, in the world of cryptocurrency trading, it's not just a skill, it's a must. As digital money keeps changing how we do things, smart investors are looking for ways to not just survive, but do well in this ever-changing crypto market. Wondering how to be successful in crypto trading? In this video, we'll share some cool tricks to help you make smart choices and earn more money. Ready to get started? Let's go. Understanding market trends. To master crypto trading, you must first become fluent in the language of market trends. These trends serve as the pulse of the crypto world, offering vital clues on when to buy or sell. Dive into historical price movements, identify patterns, and utilize technical analysis tools like moving averages, Fibonacci retracements, and Bollinger Bands. Recognizing the prevailing trend early on is crucial for making informed decisions and staying ahead of market shifts. Consider exploring more advanced chart patterns, such as head and shoulders, triangles, and flags. These patterns can provide deeper insights into potential trend reversals or continuations, offering a more nuanced understanding of market dynamics. Mastering these patterns enhances your ability to navigate trend changes successfully. Risk management. The inherent volatility of the crypto market demands a strategic approach to risk management. Set clear stop-loss orders to limit potential losses and establish risk-reward ratios before entering a trade. Diversify your portfolio to spread risk and avoid overexposure to a single asset. Successful crypto traders understand the delicate balance between calculated risk-taking and preserving capital. Moreover, consider implementing advanced risk management techniques, such as using options or futures contracts to hedge against potential losses. These sophisticated strategies can provide an additional layer of protection in highly volatile market conditions. Remember, risk management is not just about limiting losses, it's also about preserving your capital for future profitable opportunities. Leverage and margin trading. While leverage can amplify profits, it also magnifies losses. Approach leverage with caution, understanding its potential impact on your capital. Learn the intricacies of margin trading and use leverage judiciously. Striking a balance between maximizing gains and protecting your investment from excessive risk is key to navigating the complexities of leverage trading. Explore different leverage levels and their impact on your trading strategy. Understand how adjusting leverage can affect your risk exposure and potential returns. This nuanced approach to leverage allows you to tailor your trading decisions to the specific market conditions you encounter. Keep in mind that responsible leverage usage is a cornerstone of long-term trading success. Mastering technical analysis. Advanced traders leverage the power of technical analysis to gain insights into market trends and potential price movements. Dive deep into candlestick patterns, chart formations, and oscillators like RSI and MACD. A profound understanding of these tools empowers you to make precise entry and exit points, providing a significant edge in the market. Take your technical analysis to the next level by incorporating quantitative analysis. Use statistical models and machine learning algorithms to identify patterns and trends that may be imperceptible to the human eye. This fusion of traditional and cutting-edge analysis techniques can enhance your ability to interpret market signals. Stay ahead of the curve by consistently updating your technical analysis toolkit with the latest advancements. Algorithmic trading. In the era of automation, algorithmic trading has emerged as a formidable tool for crypto enthusiasts. Develop or deploy trading bots that can execute predefined strategies based on market conditions. Algorithmic trading minimizes emotional decision-making, ensures quick responses to market changes, and provides a competitive advantage in the rapidly evolving crypto landscape. Consider exploring algorithmic trading strategies such as mean reversion or trend following. These strategies can be tailored to your risk tolerance and market outlook, allowing your trading bot to operate efficiently in various market scenarios. Remember, successful algorithmic trading requires ongoing optimization and adaptation to changing market dynamics. Staying informed. Cryptocurrency markets are influenced by a myriad of factors, including regulatory developments, technological advancements, and global economic trends. Stay informed about news and events that could impact the market. Real-time awareness allows you to adapt your strategy in response to breaking news, potentially turning volatility into profitable opportunities. Expand your sources of information beyond traditional news outlets. Engage with industry forums, follow influential thought leaders on social media, and participate in webinars or conferences. This multifaceted approach ensures you have a comprehensive understanding of the factors shaping the crypto landscape. Continuously seek out diverse perspectives to refine your market analysis skills. Building a trading plan. Successful crypto trading necessitates a well-defined plan. Outline your financial goals, risk tolerance, and preferred trading style. Stick to your plan and adapt it as needed based on market conditions. Consistency and discipline are the pillars of a robust trading strategy, providing a structured framework for navigating the unpredictable nature of the crypto market. Enhance your trading plan by incorporating scenario analysis. Anticipate various market scenarios and outline specific actions for each. This proactive approach prepares you for unexpected market movements, allowing you to make swift and well-informed decisions. A dynamic trading plan evolves with the market, aligning with your goals and the ever-changing crypto landscape. Continuous learning. The crypto market is dynamic and ever-evolving. Keep honing your skills through continuous learning. Attend webinars, read market analyses, and actively engage with the crypto community. Staying ahead of industry trends and developments positions you as a knowledgeable and adaptable trader, ready to capitalize on emerging opportunities, just short-term profit motives. Conclusion. For long-term success in the fast-paced world of cryptocurrency trading, learning cutting-edge tactics is essential. Every tactic you employ, from examining ICOs to assessing social media reaction, elevates your trading style. Recall the fundamentals of maintaining knowledge, managing risk, and developing a solid trading strategy. In the constantly changing world of cryptocurrency, embrace lifelong learning and let flexibility be your compass. Like, comment, and subscribe to get the most recent knowledge and advice on being a cryptocurrency trading pro. Thanks for joining us on this exciting adventure through cutting-edge tactics in the erratic cryptocurrency market. Cheers to your trading.